The year has 4 seasons. The year has 4 seasons. Winter is cold. Winter is cold. I wear warm clothes. I wear warm clothes. I see snow on the ground. I see snow on the ground. I play with snowflakes. I play with snowflakes. Spring is nice. Spring is nice. I see flowers bloom. I see flowers bloom. I see birds return. I see birds return. I feel the sun. I feel the sun. I go outside more. I go outside more. Summer is warm. Summer is warm. I wear light clothes. I wear light clothes. I go to the beach. I go to the beach. I swim in the water. I swim in the water. I eat ice cream. I eat ice cream. Fall is colourful. Fall is colourful. I see leaves change. I see leaves change. I see them fall. I see them fall. I hear the wind. I hear the wind. I jump in piles of leaves. I jump in piles of leaves. The seasons change every year. The seasons change every year. I like each season. I like each season. They bring different things. They bring different things. I enjoy them all. I enjoy them all.